Hi, I'm Jess, and this is my husband, Greg. We love traveling, and one of our favorite destinations is Cabo San Lucas in Mexico. We've gone many times, and today we're going to share a travel hack with you. How to go on vacation to Mexico during travel restrictions. Be sure to like, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel to see more travel content.
What you working on?
We're packing for Cabo
When are we leaving?
in like 2 hours.
But yeah, so we're gonna pack and then head down to the Crossborder Express parking lot, which is the secret Tijuana border crossing, because we're gonna fly out of Tijuana to save a bunch of money.
Yep.
And avoid having to take a bunch of COVID tests and whatnot.
That's right.
Travel hack.
Please check all travel restrictions for your destination as well as for returning home before you travel. We cannot be held responsible for rapidly changing border requirements. Okay, we are at CBX, which is Crossborder Express in San Diego. What that allows us to do is actually walk across the Mexico-US border and go fly out of the Tijuana airport. So that way we pay for domestic Mexican flights and they're much cheaper.
It does cost money to use it.
Yeah, I think it's $16 per person.
And the parking in the lot is 20 something or 18 over there. So, but we parked on the street for free, otherwise we've been out another, what did we pay for? $60 for the crossing?
Yeah.
Plus it would have been another $200.
Yeah.
So factor that into your flight.
True. In order to use the Cross-Border Express, you have to purchase tickets. You can buy the tickets for CBX online. Those of you not located in the San Diego area could potentially purchase flights to the San Diego airport and find transportation over to CBX in order to get to the Tijuana airport.
It's over there too.
Does it feel different to be in Mexico?
This one has flags in case you're confused.
Oh. We're in Mexico now. Okay, we're in the Tijuana airport and we found our gate and our flight's delayed
2 horas.
by 2 hours. So we got here early so that we could handle any unforeseen issues about an hour early. So now we have 3 hours to wait instead of 1.
And it says prevista, right?
Yeah,
Which means foreseen.
expected basically. So who knows if they'll push it back again. Hopefully not.
Maybe they'll pull it in.
We'll see.
Let's start. Where's start at? Start. Pick my product.
What do you want?
25. Ven. Tarjeta. Tap card. Beep, 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 beep. No card presented.
Get it.
Cancel. Purchase canceled. Purchase canceled.
It's not working.
Nice.
I gave you 40.
Yeah, you went. What do you want? 40. It's 25.
40 pesos, babe. It's number 25.
It's 40. 40 pesos. 25. Ven. Hey, here they go. Oh, it's like air conditioning in there because it's a fridge.
Good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
you shopping for? Ooh, masks. Okay, we got the food. Turns out we're not going to get to Cabo till late. We might not even get dinner there. I got a Chipotle torta.
I got one with meat. I don't know what it is. It looks like breaded skirt steak. She told me it was the best. Although I think hers might be the best. I would assume it's no Las Tortugas.
The bread is pretty good. Okay, it's dark.
It got dark.
We got our cab to Cabo.
From Jose. He brought Pacificos.
So you fly into San Jose del Cabo, which is a 45-minute drive to Cabo San Lucas. So you got a shuttle here. And now we're walking. Let me get some light. Walking from the shuttle drop to our hotel. So it's 8:30 local time. So it's pretty late. We need to go get checked into our hotel now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you're able to use this information to help you take a relaxing vacation to Mexico. Please subscribe to our channel to find more amazing travel destinations and travel tips.